welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. New day, new life. We're on our way to Acti for some lunch and some sundowners. It's currently what time?
15:42.
15:42, babe. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Yes, so we're on our way there right now, and I'll update you guys once we get there. Love y'all. Goodbye. At Bailey's, and they're saying that it's closed upstairs. We want to sit upstairs. So you're thinking of like moving? Because no, we want to sit upstairs. So, yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I'm back. We've decided to go with Acti because my hair, I didn't straighten it. Like I didn't wash it, so it's just a mess. So we decided to go with Acti, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll experience it and see if it's good or if it's not. Guys, it's my birthday, so they were saying happy birthday for him, and it's my birthday as well. So we told them that it's my birthday, so if you're gonna come soon and sing happy birthday. Yeah, on Mars, as you can see. I hope the music is not loud. Hey, don't want copyright. Oh, and we're having some oysters. Nice. Sorry, let me show you.
My favorite.
Shumi, why don't you have like a wallpaper with me on your phone? Please look at that. Look at that. Show them.
What?
Your wallpaper. I should be on there. That should have been us.
You will pick what you like because you're busy talking about the other one. I like the one from the slow, from the city, when you're kissing.
No, I don't. Okay, it's fine. It's your phone. It's your phone.
But do you see what I'm talking about? Because she might just pick what she likes. Simple as that.
No, I'll pick what I like for my phone. She'll pick what she likes for hers.
I'll definitely do that.
Yeah, period. Happy birthday. I can't wait. Okay, let's get some oysters. What do we do?
You are 713.
Am I the only one that gets mad? Okay, not mad, but like gets like when like her friend's man calls them. Like I just get mad. Like baburing, man. Baburing. But guys, my friends don't get like that with me. They're so like supportive. I think maybe like I'm like the needy friend. I get so needy. Like on some. It's squirting all over, just like me.
Yeah.
She would know. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Nudge, nudge.
Are you ready?
But it's such a cute like.
Right?
There's not a lot of more birthdays together.
What else?
One money.
Of course,
Jobs.
yes. She's like love sex. She's
Yes. For me especially. I suffered.
if we could tell you, if only we could tell you, but this was judged.
Okay. What else do you want?
Money. That's all I care about. No, marriage.
After the money.
Like marriage, like about 28, 29, 30. Like it. You know why? One thing I've noticed is that like seafood from Japan is not as fresh as like anywhere in the coast. Like maybe if you go to Mozambique or if you go to Cape Town, Durban, anywhere that has like a coast or an ocean, the seafood is not as fresh because they import us from far away.
I wonder about the
Look at how much he's struggling. It's not fresh.
Now I want to take those.
And we've got so many. Literally, we have like 4 more to go. Like 2 more each. Asambege, sasintuza, You're trying to get me drunk. My birthday's in the next, I mean, let's say 3 days. You're trying to get me drunk. Oh! Today's a Wednesday. 2 days. But some guys, I'm growing up. I'm like, my frontal lobe is like gonna be fully developed in the next 2 days. This is why I've been crashing out so much lately, guys. I've been crashing out, I've been crying. She's been like going through the most. I've been like, okay, no, I'm not gonna mention what happened on Sunday. But hey, hey, you know. So I've just been like going through so much. Usually like the build up to my birthday. Look, she's complaining about Christmas. And at that time, Naki went to Saraz. The build up to my birthday, guys, is usually like, I'm usually like depressed, like I get heavy since 2017, and this was because like, I think it's because of my cousin's passing. So ngizoyiposta. Ngizoposta, guys. I can ngizoposta. Hell, ngizoposta. Not posta, ngizoposta. No, I will post you. Like, Notlanta's literally gonna be like on all of my vlogs. This should be like a joint channel at this point because I literally spend literally every minute with her.
Past 3 months.
You know? At her house. We need to go buy groceries. This thing of like eating out every week. Yeah, guess fun. And I also need to tell you, my mom is like so mean. Okay,
What did she say?
that's a secret. But yeah, guys. So I've just been like feeling out of place. Like I've just been feeling like I'm not okay because like in 2017 I had a cousin that passed away, right? And like he passed away in a very tragic way. And ever since then, like when I celebrate my birthday, I just think about him and I think about how old he would have been because he was literally like a brother to me. So I become somber and like very depressed and down and like out of place and I feel weird. Let's ask some Tabasco this time around. So yeah, like, so but now I've decided that like, okay, well my friend has pushed me to like celebrate my birthday. Like he's not coming back at the end of the day. I'm still the one that's living. Why don't I just like wake up, smile and celebrate us on his behalf, you know, just do better. So only now am I like a little bit excited. I'm not doing anything hectic for my birthday this year. I actually wanted to do something like go all out because like if you check my Instagram you'll be able to see like I always go all out for like myself, but this time around I was like let's do something small, something chilled, you know, because I'm easing into just celebrating myself and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what time it is and it's got to say oyster manje. Are you ready? I hope like music one more. Like I can be copyrighted. Mara more kids thing, I'll just put like sounds, music, so that it doesn't copyright me. Cheers! Why is it so dry? Wow, I didn't put the oh. You had what I had.
Can I send you because
Yes, please. So good. Okay, I think it's good. Guys, come to Agti and Bedford View. And the service is amazing. Do you think they must come during the week? Come during the week.
weekend.
Oh, weekend.
Yeah, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, so she's saying, do you want to feature on my channel? So you can tell them, do you want to feature? Say your name.
My name is Precious. You can come and enjoy with our girls here. Like enjoy it.
Yes. When should they come? Weekend or during the week?
During the weekend from Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. Plug it. Yes, so you heard it, guys. Come during the weekend. It's better during the weekend, okay? Than it is during the week. I think it's best during the week because like it's very chill vibes. But if you want like a vibe, like some, like yeah, like then come during the weekend. And maybe there's like nice specials, chef specials during the weekend, then during the week. So yeah. Okay, chat later. it, guys. Okay, now. Cheers. Guys, look at my champagne. Serving it to me. Guys, Shades by Pearl. Support my friend. Period. Support my friend Pearl Shaw.
Support it, baby.
You see, Shades by Pearl. Period. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 2 of going out, countdown to my birthday. Guys, my birthday is tomorrow. Please don't mind the mess in the background. We are girls.
You're starting again.
What?
He's like, wait, let me talk. What's he giving me?
Let's actually me go. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Let's go. Let's go, guys. You better I'm out to live. Guys, I'm vlogging, shame. I'm gonna vlog and live. I don't care. It's my fucking birthday. I can't fucking wait. Period, bitch.
Listen, wait till you say.
Outside. I'm gonna show you OOTD in the lift because Sana. I'm not
Downstairs, man.
OOTD. Period. Guys, I don't even look 25, man.
25-year fucking old. I beg, make you then go that side. Go that side. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes. Switch for me. I beg.
I'm all bread. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's my birthday, guys. Look at the setup. How stunning! How stunning! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Wee! 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 Wee!
Baby love. Baby girl.
Can I keep Fidelia just? Doing a smile. Everybody say cities.
The quality.
It is cat. What the fuck just happened?
Swat, baby.
So much fun. You give me no.
Cause I need somebody who stand by me. Who could provide the best. Everybody loves everybody. Tell me, baby, can you understand? Sabi ko lang kung ay di dapat pala natin. At lang, saan sila na makatulin eh. This we know. Hello, Laywood. Unfriend. Unfriend. I'm down to make you laugh. Whatever you got. Cause I need somebody.